disgruntled drivers, cryptic cops, bumbling bandits, and the world's luckiest Tesla driver. All these stories and more are in today's episode of
Wham Baam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Earp was headed toward a red light, but sadly, his Tesla never even made it to the intersection. A Volvo T-boned Earp's Tesla from the left after ignoring a stop sign and blasting right through it. As a matter of fact, two other drivers also ignored that stop sign right in front of the Volvo. So it seems like drivers were not paying attention as they mindlessly copied each other's behavior. Earp vividly remembers making eye contact with the Volvo driver for a split second. He remembers trying to swerve and accelerate to avoid a collision, but it was too late. Conveniently, police were just a few blocks away and responded quickly. Earp filed a claim with the Volvo driver's insurance provider, and their repair estimate came to $14,000. Earp thought this was a little low and decided to get a second estimate from his own insurance provider, and they totaled his Tesla after seeing this photo. This submitter was driving his brand new Model 3 Performance at 85 miles per hour on I-79 near Warrendale, Pennsylvania. It was snowing, but the snow wasn't sticking. Instead, it was turning into a large amount of standing water on the highway. After suddenly hitting a puddle, our submitter began hydroplaning. He spun off the road, thankfully missing any road signs or light poles. Considering the speed at which he hit the grass, it's a miracle the car didn't roll over. He was able to drive the Tesla away with nothing more than cosmetic damage, which he confirmed after taking it through the nearest car wash. A few body panels had come loose, and the underside of the car had scooped up some dirt. Ironically, he had gotten a steering alignment just 5 hours before this incident. It looks like he'll need another one. He returned to the scene the next day. After seeing these photos, we're still shocked the car stayed upright. He may be the world's luckiest Tesla owner. Dan was heading home after a ski trip with his wife and their Spanish exchange student. He'd been following a small blue hatchback in the passing lane for a mile or so, driving at the speed limit, when he noticed a semi-truck in the travel lane with a Colorado State Patrol vehicle behind it. The trucker decided to overtake another semi, but when he merged into the passing lane, he nearly ran the hatchback off the road. Dan's wife immediately told him to save the footage for Wham Baam, but the situation was far from over. As Dan began overtaking the same slow semi-truck, he told us there was no wind, the roads were clear, and there was nothing ahead of or next to the truck that he could see. Right as he was next to the semi, it lunged into his lane without warning. Dan told us he never saw a turn signal as the driver merged into his lane. With nowhere to go, he steered as far to the left as he could without going into the ditch. He told us his Tesla handled well, even as the left wheels went into the dirt at 70 miles per hour. The state trooper immediately activated his party lights before pulling the semi-truck over. Dan pulled over behind the trooper's vehicle, being sure to give him plenty of room. He took a minute to calm down before checking his Model Y for damage. Thankfully, the Tesla was perfectly fine. The trooper eventually came to check on them, and Dan asked if he knew why the trucker had veered into his lane so abruptly. The trooper didn't know either. Dan offered the trooper his Teslacam footage, but since he had the whole thing on his own dashcam, he didn't need it. Dan, his wife, and their exchange student Bosco continued their 16-hour road trip back to Seattle. Wow, it sounds like Bosco got the ultimate Tesla road trip experience. Mike was on his way to the mall with his family to do some shopping. While searching for a parking spot, he suddenly heard a car alarm go off. Mike's wife looked back and noticed two people hurriedly jumping out of a vehicle carrying a bag. They both slipped while running away. Mike eventually found a parking spot, then returned to the car to see if the owner had come back yet. Another witness had also seen the burglary, and they took photos of the criminals before calling security. Sadly, Mike waited for around 30 minutes, but security never responded. He left a note on the victim's vehicle, then sent them a copy of his footage when they contacted him later. Patrick was driving his Model X Plaid when traffic ahead slowed down for a driver making a U-turn. Patrick slowed down, but the Acura driver behind him didn't. Patrick's family was also in his Tesla at the time, and his son was sitting in the third row on the passenger side right where the Acura had impacted. Both drivers stopped to exchange insurance information. Thankfully, they did a great job documenting the damage with detailed collision photos, which are always helpful for insurance claims. Patrick found out repairs will take 3 weeks, but he's not sure how much they'll cost. What he does know is that the Acura driver's insurance provider will be paying for them. We're left with just one burning question. Does this count as a Honda bump? Acura is Honda's premium brand after all. Let us know what you think in the comments. Nathan was driving home in his Model X when he approached an intersection just as the light turned green. The driver of a silver hatchback ran her red light and collided with an oncoming SUV. Nathan immediately stopped and called 911, then checked on the occupants and made sure they were okay. An ambulance arrived just 2 minutes later. Nathan offered his Teslacam footage to both drivers and the police, but so far nobody has reached out to him for it. Raider Rakasan was driving northbound on I-17 when he noticed 2 vehicles speeding up behind him. The driver of a minivan rolled her window down and threw a bottle at the Kia. She then sped up next to Raider, putting him right in the middle of their drama. Raider decided to hit the Zeus juice and escape the area before getting any further involved in the road rage. David and his wife pulled up to one of the busiest charging stations in their area and grabbed the only open spot about 5 seconds before a white Chevy Volt would have gotten it. The driver of the Chevy Volt, a plug-in hybrid, pulled past the Tesla while staring at them intensely, then reversed past them again. David thinks she might have thought he'd cut her off, but he did arrive to the charging station first. He then plugged in before he and his wife left to take a walk. A few minutes later, a notification on his phone told him his car had been unplugged. So they headed back to find out what had happened. He'd assumed the charger had experienced an error, but when he got back, he discovered this Sentry mode footage. A woman walked up and unplugged his Tesla, but she didn't plug in her own vehicle. Instead, she just put the charging handle back in its holder on the charging station. Dave isn't sure if this was the same woman who'd been driving the Chevy Volt, but he thinks it was. The only real evidence he has that they were the same woman was that they were both wearing sunglasses. I don't know, David, that looks like a very different hairstyle to us. Comment below and tell us if you think this was the same person. Henry had just seen a movie with his son and was getting ready to leave the mall parking lot when he waited for an SUV driver to pull into a parking spot so he could back out. After the SUV had pulled in, Henry started backing up, but so did the SUV driver. Henry stopped, but before he could pull forward, the SUV bumped into the back of his Cybertruck. The driver of the SUV immediately called the police and told them that Henry had backed into his vehicle. When the police arrived, Henry showed them his Teslacam footage. After seeing that Henry had stopped before the SUV had collided with his Cybertruck, they found the SUV driver responsible. The driver of the SUV argued with the officer before storming off. Henry is now waiting to hear back from the insurance company. Gilberto was driving his Model 3 in Mexico when it suddenly started blaring an alarm while applying the brakes for traffic ahead that had stopped abruptly. The Audi behind him probably didn't give its driver the same warning or braking assistance before smashing into the back of Gilberto's Tesla. The two drivers stopped and exchanged information. Both cars remained drivable, but more importantly, nobody was injured. Gilberto told us the insurance claim process was smooth, and he was directed to take his Tesla to a body shop that will fix the damage. Rob was waiting at a traffic light when an oncoming truck made an unprotected left turn before getting T-boned. Rob had an appointment he couldn't be late for, so he didn't stay at the collision scene, but he told us he did send a copy of his Teslacam footage to the local police department. Dryden was on a road trip from San Francisco to Texas late one night when he saw headlights coming toward him. At first, he thought the vehicle was on the other side of the highway, but he quickly realized the other driver was on his side of the highway, going the wrong way. Dryden called 911 to report the driver, and according to the California Highway Patrol, he wasn't the only one to do so. Dryden told us that a few days later, a CHP officer called to ask him some questions before informing him that the other driver had been tired and intoxicated. A few miles after passing Dryden, the drunk driver had pulled into the median and stopped before falling asleep. Dryden sent the officer a copy of this footage, and the officer told him he was very grateful. Evidently, having this video evidence will make his job much easier when the case goes to court. Don was sitting at a traffic light in Richmond, Virginia, when the driver next to him ran the red light. Mike thinks the driver saw the left turn light turn green and mistakenly thought his own light had also changed. Right after that, the driver of a pickup truck also ran the red light. That pickup driver was actually a cop though, and he proceeded to serve up some instant justice. Hisu was driving to a remote campground in Death Valley on a very rough road, which generated lots of rattling noise in the Tesla. Suddenly, he started to hear a thundering noise in addition to the rattling noise. A fighter jet flew past him at low altitude, and a few seconds later, another one flew directly over him. Hisu thinks the pilots were doing a training exercise out in the desert and decided to use his car as a training target. Hisu wanted to know if any of our viewers can identify these fighter jets, so let him know in the comments. He continued to the campground before camping overnight in his Tesla, taking these photos as he stargazed. Awesome! It turned out that Hisu wasn't the only Tesla driver witnessing stellar action that night. This submitter was on his way home after a 12-hour shift when he watched a meteor light up the night sky. It took him a second to realize what he just witnessed before he smashed the save video button on his Tesla's touchscreen. Speaking of smashing buttons, guess what he wished for after seeing this shooting star? You guessed it, he wants you to smash that subscribe button.
I'm an ancient being, I've been trying